Hello, this is Tachibana software coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have a Eufy Smart Plug Mini. It comes with control remotely, scheduled lighting, and away mode. It is also able to work with Alexa. Let's get in here. Here's an easy open tab. Here is the plug. I guess this is where you can connect to the Wi-Fi and everything. Let's see what else we have in here. We have Did we light up your life? Happy, unhappy, what you can do. There's the website. Let's put that there. Here's the owner manual. Let you see what all they have here. And then we have different models and important safety instructions. That looks like that's all. Okay. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.